Hey, I totally get it. You could be in the middle of a newborn session and you're not really sure what to do next. I want to arm you with an amazing wrap that I love to do called the Stork wrap. Hello and welcome. I'm Lisa from Milk and Honey Photography and the Milky Way, and this is Milky Way TV, your weekly dose of inspiration on business, life, and photography. And I want to share with you one of my favorite wraps. It's called the Stork wrap, and all you need is just a long piece of fabric, jersey, cheesecloth, something that will stretch around the baby. Now what I'm using in my video is cheesecloth. And the way that I have created the knot and the space for the baby is just simply tying a knot at about a foot length in the cheesecloth fabric. Now come on, head over to the studio and we're going to show you exactly how the Stork wrap is done.
So this is called the Stork wrap because it looks as though the stork has just dropped him off. You'll be able to change the position of this knot higher and lower. So I'm just gonna And what I'm really looking for are making sure his little bits are all covered up. Now I do find that when I'm shooting, especially in this position, and I'm shooting overhead, my shutter noise very well can startle him a lot and wake him up. So you really want to make sure that you've got the shot dialed in before you take it, because there is a very good possibility those arms are going to party arm right out and I'm going to have to instantly settle them. Definitely got a good scowl going on right now.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've loved this episode. Can't wait to see all the wonderful Stork wraps that come out from this. If you have not hit subscribe, make sure you ring the bell so you don't miss a single trick, tip, or tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Lisa from Milk and Honey Photography and the Milky Way, and I will see you in the next episode.